I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to create a form on your GforGov website. First, on your website dashboard, you're going to scroll down and find Forms, and then select the sub-tab, Forms. Next, you will hit Create, and select Blank, then Continue. Name your form. Select Create, and once that is done, you can begin to add your fields. If you would like a description at the top of your form before any questions, or before or after a section, you can add an HTML field, which you will find right here. Other fields you can insert, and you can do this all at once and rename them, include name, email, phone number, address, website, checkbox, date picker, drop-downs, file upload, time picker, number, e-signature, and more. To edit each one of these after creation, simply click on the name, and here you can edit how it appears and what it's titled as. In Settings, you can make certain questions required or optional. If you have a large form or would like to organize your form better, you can separate questions into sections. Sections can also have their own description. You can move each field up and down using these buttons here. Just select, drag, and drop. Fields can share a same line when you move them onto the same line. If you would not like them on the same line, simply grab and drag up until you see a blue line in between two of the other fields. I'm going to put these two on the same line. If you would like certain questions to appear only after certain conditions are met, such as a yes on a previous question, you can go to Edit, Visibility, add a rule, and then find the question you want to be the conditional question. Let's do name. And you can either make this question visible if all of the conditions in here are met or any of the conditions in here are met, or hide if any or all of these conditions are met. I'm going to make it visible if all of these conditions are met, and that is if the name is Tom. Once you have all of your fields and the form is set up properly, preview what it will look like here. Once everything looks correct, select Publish, and you will be given a shortcode. Copy and paste onto whatever page and wherever on the page you'd like the form to appear, and then update. Once that is done, you will go back to that page, refresh, and be sure that the form shows up the way you want it to.